Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the master volume in Mewgenics. Let's begin by opening the settings menu, then go into audio settings. If you are mid-game, press escape and go to settings, then go to the audio settings. From there, you can adjust the master volume. This controls the overall volume of the game. So it affects every other volume. Well, it's not a slider, it's a settings value below it. So with it set to 100, everything is at max volume. But you can lower the overall game volume by changing the master volume. Right. After you make your choice, simply press back and then resume. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.